Welcome back to News 3 Today. What matters to you? That's the question community leaders, healthcare providers, and medical professionals are asking as they gather information aimed at meeting your needs. This morning, we're talking about the 2024 Community Health Needs Assessment for Chatham County and why it's important for you to complete the survey. Brendan Moss is the Vice President of Mission Services at St. Joseph's Candler. Liz Ann Roberts is the Executive Director of Coastal Georgia Indicators Coalition. They join us now with more. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you.
And I guess you could consider the assessment as a checkup, sort of like we go to the doctor to make sure everything is good. You want to check up on the community to make sure that their needs are met. Before we get to that, let's talk about the coalition. Who are you and what do you do? What is this group?
We're a nonprofit organization that we're celebrating our 10th year. So we have the largest database of health-related data in our community. So we house over 250 community-level indicators for 4 counties. Most of our work is focused here in Chatham, and we were looking forward to partnering with St. Joseph's Candler to help with this community health needs assessment. It's really important for us to gather as much data as we can so that we can understand what the needs are of our community and how we meet those needs.
Now, this is no small undertaking. This is groundbreaking work that you're doing, that you do, what, every 3 years?
Yes, every 3 years, St. Joseph Candler undertakes a community health needs assessment, which really is an opportunity to cast a very wide net for as many residents of our service area as possible to identify their needs, not only in healthcare specifically, going to the doctor, but also those things we call social determinants of health, which are all the things that surround our health and well-being. It might be transportation, food security, all sorts of things, housing as well.
Now, this is a requirement of the Affordable Care Act, but it also helps leaders address issues that need just a little more attention, right? Yeah. So what are some of those issues?
Absolutely, please.
So food insecurity is big in our community. And so, of course, we're going to look at food, housing, transportation. We're going to look at access to care, for instance. So one of the things we'll be doing is working with our partners. So we have over 100 community partners who connect with the coalition, and we'll be working with them to help us do surveying, listening sessions, and focus groups so we can better understand the needs of the community. And we're really happy also to be partnering this year with the Medical College of Georgia. Their medical students are going to be helping us do some of the surveying.
And those students, along with Healthy Savannah, but these students will be doing much of the groundwork.
Yes, we do hope that the medical students will volunteer their time to do face-to-face encounters with the residents of our area so that they can take the survey. It's so important for us to get as many respondents as possible because it really is an opportunity for every one of us, from the rich to the poor, from those who are in need to those who perhaps have excess, to really participate to help us identify the needs of the community.
And once you get this information, what will be done?
Right. So really, St. Joseph Candler takes all the data that we're receiving from the Community Health Needs Assessment, and then we write a report that's a way it helps us set a strategy of what needs can we address, and those needs that we can't address we identify as well, particularly then sharing that information through organizations like the Coastal Georgia Indicators Coalition. Then all of our community organizations have an awareness of these are identified needs, and if St. Joseph Candler is focusing on this, maybe we need to focus on another one so that we as a community are addressing a multitude of needs within our area.
Now, we're running out of time, but these surveys are available in both English and Spanish.
That's right.
And they're available right now. You can go to the survey on our website at wsav.com/health survey. Anything else you want people to know about this?
I think it's vitally important to get a robust survey. This helps us long term with funding that comes into our community. Every time we write a federal grant, they're asking us to look at the community health needs assessment.
That's right.
And so the more data that we can collect, the better we'll be able to serve our community.
All right.
And I think the important piece is this is every voice from everyone, so every voice matters. And to know this is about letting the community organizations right here, like St. Joseph Candler, know what are the needs of our people. Aren't folks that are going to respond from miles and states away, but people in our neighborhood.
All right. Liz Ann, Brendan, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Stay with us. We'll be right back.